Hello guys! Welcome back to another adventure vlog. Today's adventure is extra special kasi kasama ko ang family, friends at coworkers. We decided to spend the holiday at Hayward Lake, a hidden gem here in British Columbia. So here we are, we arrived at the lake around 9 a.m. Pagkababa namin ng sasakyan, bitbit na agad yung mga gamit, coolers, bags, food, and syempre, paddleboard. We are walking around to find the perfect spot, picnic table near to the water. So ayan tayo naglalakad, naghahanap ng magandang table. Bit ang paddleboard. Ayan, ito yung Hayward Lake. At ang tawag dito sa mga may picnic area is Hayward Lake Recreation. At ayan, nakahanap na tayo ng picnic table shaded by tall trees, which became our base camp for the day. At ayan, busy na rin silang mag-pump ng kanilang mga paddleboard. Everyone is so excited! At habang kami nag-i-inflate ng paddleboard, maririnig mo yung tawanan ng mga tao, families setting up, dogs barking at the leash area, and gentle sound of the wind. And syempre, the energy of the people and the natural breeze made the place feel alive. Ayan. It's a good exercise pumping the paddleboard. Magandang exercise yan. Manually pumping. Pero yung sa akin is ginamit ko ang electric pump. At ayan, ito yung table namin na malapit dun sa tubigan. Malapit sa tubig. Malapit sa tubig. Ayan tayo, tinetest muna, nagbi-video, look at the view. It's so amazing. At ayan, we are ready to board. We carried our paddleboard to the water. And ayan, at tayo na isasakay sa paddleboard. Everyone is so excited. Yung unang tapak pa lang sa tubig, ramdam mo na yung lamig at freshness. One by one. Sumampa kami sa board. Some sat, others knelt, and ako, I stood up to paddle. From there, the view was so amazing. Kung saan makikita niyo, ang ganda ng tubig at saka yung mga puno. The white emerald water, the forest all around, and the cool breeze brushing on my face. Ayan tayo. Ayan, kung tignan mo yung ang ganda ng kulay ng tubig. It's emerald green. Tint green. Ang ganda talaga siya. Tayo nakatayo, nagpa-paddleboard. Kung saan makikita nyo yung mga reflection ng puno sa tubig at saka yung araw. Hayward Lake itself is stunning. It's a wide, calm reservoir surrounded by thick forests, almost like a hidden paradise. The water has this greenish emerald-like color, reflecting the trees and the sky above. Ayan, di ba? Nakikita nyo? Standing at the shore, you feel an instant peace na parang gusto mong mag-stay buong araw. Pero kailangang umuwi kasi magsasarado ang gate ng 9 p.m. We went there, we arrived there 9 a.m. So, ayan. Ang ganda rin talaga ng tubig at saka yung environment. Ayan tayo, tinitignan ng ating telepono kung tama ba ang kinukuha ng ating camera. Ito ay DJI Osmo 360. Konektado pa sa aking phone, kaya kung gusto mo makuha ng magandang anggulo na kagaya nitong aking nakuha, i-check mo, i-connect mo sa iyong phone para i-control mo doon kung alin ang kukunin mo. Pero kahit hindi nakakonect, maganda pa rin ang kanyang kuha. It's up to you to edit after it. Kasi lahat kuhang-kuha. At ang ganda din ng quality ng camera. It's really amazing. And the water is so calm. Hindi siya maalon. Talagang tahimik. Ang gandang matulog sa gitna ng lake. Sabi ng iba, wala silang time mamasyal. Pero this is all about time management. Parang paddleboard that you need to balance. You balance work from adventure and to self-care also. Kasi adventure is considered self-caring, di ba? You're treating yourself, you're going to connect with the nature. Enjoy the beautiful creation of God while still we are young. While still we can travel. So ayan, makikita nyo yung kuha ng 360. Talagang bilog ang mundo. Pag i-zoom in mo yan, makikita mo yung bilog talaga. Ayan, you can see the background. Ang ganda siya. For those asking where exactly is Hayward Lake located, it is located in Mission, BC, Canada. And if you're coming from Burnaby, it is about 1 drive east. The drive itself is relaxing. You will pass through beautiful countryside with mountains and rivers along the way. Kaya perfect talaga for a day trip if you want to escape the busy city life. Kaya mga busy dyan, pasyal-pasyal din minsan. Kailangan natin ng break. Mag-break sa trabaho para i-enjoy ang mga magagandang tanawin ng alikha ng ating Panginoon Diyos. I'm blessed to have a day off and explore the beautiful creation of God. And also connect with the nature. Not only to the nature, but to the people close to you. Di ba? Ang ganda ng background. Makita mo yung mountain and the reflection of the mountain and the water and even the sun. So, ang camera pa lang ito ay DJI Osmo 360. Nabili ko sa Amazon. This is good for travel. This camera is good for traveling and for vlogging. So, ayan. We spent the whole day paddling, eating, laughing, and bonding to each other. May mga cheering pa kapag may muntik mahulog sa tubig. Hindi lang muntik pero may nahulog talaga. Ilang beses nang nahulog. Kasi first time niyang mag-paddleboard. Kung sa una talaga, talagang malalaglag ka. Parang ako nung una. Isang beses, dalawang beses nahulog. Pero ganun pa rin talaga. That's part of learning. Pag nahulog ka, di tatayo ka ulit. Hanggang ma-master ang pagtayo ng tube sa paddleboard. Maganda dito kasi kalmado ang tubig. Pero kung sa wavy, maladali akong matumba. Pero kailangan talaga learn how to balance. At ayan, may mga kwentuhan habang kumakain and picture taking to capture the memories. And the paddleboarding wasn't just an activity, it was about being together, enjoying each other's company, and creating lasting memories. Kaya maraming salamat sa mga dumalo dito sa aking inorganize na paddleboarding. Ayan, may hindi pa nakapunta kasi nagkasakit. Sumakit daw ang tiyan niya. But anyway, there's more time to go out and enjoy the nature. So, mas maganda, mas marami, mas masaya. Diba? This is one of my activities during every summer. And eto, paddleboarding, hiking, mga adventure ba during summer. Kasi magandang panahon. It's also nice to explore the different trails, lakes, and yung mga magagandang puntahan dito sa BC, mga tanawin ang gaganda. And pag winter, ang mga aking activities ay indoor games like badminton, swimming. Yan, pag winter. Pag summer, more activities. Mas active sa summer. Ayan, nalalagyan ng aking eyeglasses. Ngayon, nakikita niyo ng aking mukha dyan na pumangit dahil sa camera. Ganun talaga minsan. Pero wag niyo nang pansinin. Iba-iba talaga ang ko. Naiiba talaga ang mukha ko. Ano nangyari sa camera? Ba't ganyan ang kuha niya? Ayan. Hindi namin namamalayan ang oras ay na hapon na pala. From morning hanggang late afternoon, tuloy-tuloy lang ang fun. Around 6:30 p.m., we packed up. Pagod pero sobrang saya. Before leaving, I took one last look at the lake. The calm green water, the wind, and the happy voices fading into the evening. It was the perfect ending to a beautiful day. So, guys, if you're looking for a day trip near Burnaby or Vancouver, I really recommend visiting Hayward Lake in Mission, BC. Bring your picnic, your paddleboards, or simply come to relax. It's only about an hour's drive, pero sulit na sulit sa ganda at saya ng lugar. Diba? Ang ang ganda talaga. Lahat ay nag-enjoy. Mukha pang ayaw umuwi. Pero we need to go home kasi kailangan pumasok kinabukasan. Kailangan pumasok ulit. And then after a few days, get out again and then enjoy the beautiful creation of God. So, if you were to visit Hayward Lake, sino ang isasama mo? Family, friends, or coworkers? And what's the first thing you do here? Paddleboarding, picnic, or just relax by the shore? Comment your answers below and I'd love to hear them. Ang aga kong nagtanong, hindi pa pala tapos ang aking video. Ayan tayo. Ang ganda talaga ng kuha ng camera. Ayan, di ba? DJI Osmo 360. Pero na-promote na. Nagpa-promote na. It's a great exercise as well while you're paddling and exercise your muscle, making it a force kasi yung tubig. Ayan, makikita nyo yung 360. Meron akong sakay dito. Medyo mabigat. Pero kaya naman ipaddle. It's almost end of summer kaya enjoy ang summer kasi malapit naman ang fall and then winter. 3 months ang seasons namin dito sa British Columbia. At ayan na siya nang magpaddle at ako'y pagod na. Maraming tao pag weekends. Maraming pupunta dito kasi maganda yung lugar na to for picnic at saka paddleboard and some other activities. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagbabalak na pumunta doon, agahan para makahanap ng magandang spot. Kasi kahit weekdays, pumunta kami na Monday. And then, around 11, puno na ang parkingan. Kasi konti lang yung parking space nila. So, it's better to go there earlier before 10 or 9:30. Lalo na kung weekends at saka holidays, punong-puno. So, ayun guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood ng aking mga videos. And don't forget to like, share, comment below. Ang paddleboard is not just about connection. It's more done. You know what? While I was paddling, I realized how rare and precious these moments are when you can just pause, breathe, and take in the beauty of God's creation. At ayan, ito ang kuha ng ating drone. Ayan, marami kaming naka-paddleboard. At syempre, bago umuwi, mag-picture-picture muna. At ayan, ang aming picture with the paddleboard. At itong picture naman ay last eat or this is our supper before we. At ayan, tayo ang kanya-kanyang bit-bit ng kanyang paddleboard. At tayo na pauwi at alas 8 na ng gabi. Pero maliwanag pa. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you on the next vlog. And as always, keep exploring, keep bonding, and thank God for the simple adventures in life.